Today we are going to discuss how do enzymes bring about such high rates of chemical conversion. So, in chemical reaction there are two terms, one is substrate and another is product. So, reaction converts substrate into product. So, we will discuss the steps carried out in the transition from substrate to product. So, the substrate S has bind the enzyme at its active site within given cleft or pocket. The substrate has to diffuse towards active site. There is thus an obligatory formation of an ES complex. ES means enzyme substrate complex. During the state where substrate is bound to enzyme active site, a new structure of the substrate called transition state structure is formed. Very soon after the expected bond breaking, making is completed, the product is released from the active site. In other words, the structure of substrate get transformed into structure of product. The pathway of this transformation must go through so-called transition state structure. There could be many or more altered structured states between stable substrate and product. Implicit in this statement is the fact that all other intermediate structure states are unstable. Stability is something related to energy status of the molecule or the structure. Here, process or reaction starts from substrate. At the transition state, enzyme get added to the substrate and enzyme substrate complex get formed, and then the transition from substrate state to product state is carried out. On the y-axis it represents potential energy content, and on the x-axis progress of the reaction. You can see here difference between substrate S level and product P level. There is difference between these two levels. The reason is they are at the different energy levels. If P is at lower level than S, then the reaction is an exothermic reaction. One need not supply energy by heating in order to form the product. Exothermic means energy gets released, whereas endothermic means you have to apply energy. That reaction requires energy for its completion. Whether it is an exothermic or spontaneous reaction or an endothermic or energy requiring reaction, the S has to go through a much higher energy state or transition state. The difference in an average energy content of S from this transition state is called activation energy. What does you mean by activation energy? The difference between average energy content of S, that of transition state. Here transition state is at different energy levels, so difference between these two energy levels is called activation energy. Enzymes eventually bring down this energy barrier, making the transition of S to P more easy. This is activation energy with enzyme. This is activation energy without enzyme. This is not with but without enzyme. If enzyme is not used, you will require more energy. You have to go at higher energy level, but due to use of enzyme, that energy level comes down. Low energy is required, but in the reaction is fast. The reaction is conversion of substrate into product. If you use enzyme, then it will complete in at the less energy level. If you are not using enzyme, the transition state is at higher energy level. Okay, got the point? So keep studying, keep watching the video. Thank you.